Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Ask a New York City Tour Guide. Well, it's been over 60 days that we've been in quarantine and since I gave my last tour, so I'm missing the city a lot. I'm missing the ability to take advantage of everything the city has to offer, from the museums to the concert halls to free music in the park to just ability to go somewhere and hang out. I would often just walk a couple extra stops before I got my subway on the way home from work, just to spend a little extra time in the city. And now I've pretty much been limited to my house and luckily my backyard for the last 60 days. So I'm really missing the city and everything about it. Now, I asked a few other tour guides what they were missing, and following are some of their answers. So stay tuned.
I miss getting the royal treatment in some of the small businesses I frequent. And what I mean by that is they know what I want, whether it's my signature iced green tea in the morning, or a trivia packet at the bar on Wednesday, or my chicken and lamb combo over rice. It's lonely right now, and I miss being recognized by people.
I really, really miss accidentally running into people. I know New York has this reputation for being huge and so full of people that everyone forgets your face. But that's not really the case. And maybe it's because of the reputation that I think it's so magical when I run into my tour guide friends from the Statue of Liberty in the middle of Midtown, or end up on the subway at 135th Street with somebody that I did a show at Wagner Park with. And I miss those people. I miss seeing people.
I miss when something weird happens on the subway and you and a subway stranger look at each other. You either exchange looks or laugh, and for that split second, that subway stranger is your friend.
What do I miss? What do I miss? I miss a good haircut. I miss some nice workout. But mostly, I miss New Yorkers. Ever since we were told to wear those motherfucking masks and nobody says hi on the street, everybody looks down. Give us the New Yorkers back. Give us the New Yorkers back!
So what do I miss most about New York City? I miss the Metropolitan Museum of Art. It's celebrating its 150th anniversary this year. Just recently, I had a dream where I was chasing my deceased dogs through the empty galleries. They had no art in them of the Met. And I woke up with this profound sadness, not just missing my dogs, of course, like I always do, but missing really my home away from home. It's amazing how much the Met is a part of me. Can't wait for it to be open. Be safe out there. Thank you. Bye.
What I'm going missing is having an excuse to walk out on a gorgeous day like this. But what I'm really going to miss are the various free concerts and shows in the parks. Now, that's talking about just Shakespeare in the Park, but the really casual, intimate ones like New York Classic Theater.
The part of New York City that I'm missing right now, my subway train goes from below ground to above ground. And when that happens, all of a sudden, everything just becomes light again. And when the train turns the corner, you can see the Statue of Liberty out in the distance of the New York Harbor. I miss that.
I miss the people of New York City. I miss meeting people from around the world who are visiting the city or moving to the city, sharing the city with them, hearing their stories. And I miss my fellow tour guides. They're a pretty cool group of people.
What do I miss? Well, after 8 weeks of pause, there are a number of things that I miss. But there is one place in particular that I really miss, and that is the Met, the Metropolitan Museum of Art. I miss giving tours there, and I just miss wandering the halls and galleries and discovering new art. I was heartbroken when I heard they were closing, so I can't wait till they reopen. I can't wait till all the museums of New York reopen. So until then, stay safe and be well.
I think it's safe to say anyone who really loves the city misses something about it right now. Now, there are plenty of ways to keep in touch with the city. You can follow my Instagram. I try and put up a picture of the city every day. There are plenty of places you can follow a few hashtags on Instagram. There are people who are doing videos on YouTube of the current situation in the city, and there are plenty of groups on Facebook to follow. If you want any further information on any of those, drop me an email, and we hope we see you guys real soon. Thanks for watching. Please like below, subscribe, and if you got a question, put it in the comments below. Thanks.